What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. The market dumped down hard this week as we started off September. Statistically speaking, September is the worst month in the stock market, not only for the United States, but also just around the world. But with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. So looking at the swing plays, there are no new major updates. The CCJ play is still doing pretty good. It is holding its ground very well, even with the stock market as a whole dumping pretty hard. The 3M play is also doing very good. 3M just keeps falling off the board in a major way. We initially shorted it right around 130 or so, and now it's all the way down to around 121.50. So it's looking pretty good. There's a lot of bearish momentum with it. A lot of bearish options flow to also go along with this big move. So 3M is definitely taking a beating. Depending on its price action next week, I will consider exiting the play. But yeah, I mean, it's doing very, very well so far, and I'm very excited to see how this one continues. Getting into the bot plays from this week, it was an all right week. I didn't love the results, to be honest. Last week was a lot better as we had a couple major plays with AMD, Intel, BABA, and stuff like that. This week there weren't any like jaw-dropping plays, and the Amazon play on Tuesday did pretty well as that popped for just under 27%, and then the play on Friday did okay. I mean, it popped for like 13.8%, but still it wasn't anything crazy. The other plays were more or less duds. So yeah, the bot didn't do too great this week. The market was all over the place, but it should do a lot better next week. Speaking of next week, the market will be closed on Monday for Labor Day, so enjoy the day off. And then we are also going to cover the theta plays too. Hunter has a couple new theta plays that we're going to be talking about in next week's recap. But shorting puts is still a good strategy right now. As long as you have a stock that you wouldn't mind holding, odds are that it's at a pretty low level, especially this year. We can see as a random example, Shopify. Basically around this time last year was trading for over $150 a share. Now it's all the way down to less than $30 a share. And a lot of these stocks have elevated levels of implied volatility. Basically, you can sell some put options right now and literally get paid to buy these stocks at low prices. So it's a pretty awesome setup in that sense. So definitely check out some short put strategies. As always, if you guys have any questions, feel free to tag Hunter, Tom, or me in the chat, and we can definitely help you out. Besides that, have a great weekend, and thanks for watching.